Deformable objects commonly appear in unstructured configurations. Humans typically handle these by tracing along an edge from one end to the other, gradually extending the object. This makes subsequent tasks more manageable. We define deformable object tracing as sliding a gripper along a one-dimensional object, or along the edge of a two-dimensional object. The gripper maintains continuous contact until it reaches the free end. In this work, we explore the possibility to construct a unified model to achieve one-dimensional and two-dimensional deformable object. Firstly, we integrate tactile sensing into a low-cost teleoperation system. We utilize a ABB UMI and a 3D printed kinematic model for teleoperation. A vision-based tactile sensor is mounted on the gripper finger. Meanwhile, multimodal feedback is provided to the teleoperator through real-time visual and tactile image streaming, and vibration alerts for singularities. Using the teleoperation system, we collected 100 demonstrations on scene deformable objects. Demonstration collection process is as the videos show. Then, we train a transformer-based tracing policy using collected data, with robot kinematics, visual, and tactile inputs to predict actions and completion sequences. A local center loss improves fine-grained adjustments by emphasizing contact near the tactile image center, while a global task loss regulates task progression. We firstly conduct experiments on scene one-dimensional and two-dimensional deformable objects. A trail is successful if the gripper follows the object to the terminal end and maintains grasp during the process. To test the generalizability of our models, we also test them on unseen objects. Compared with other single-category methods, our unified model achieves high success on both one-dimensional and two-dimensional objects with a unified model, with 340 trials validating each component's effectiveness and demonstrating strong generalization. In summary, we propose a novel visual-tactile imitation learning method for deformable object tracing. This work marks the first step towards a unified model for tracing both one-dimensional and two-dimensional deformable objects.